We're in the finals now. It's always an honor, privilege, and pleasure to judge the finals of this Moot competition.
Hi everybody, this is Natasha. I was very impressed with what I heard in the first round. I look forward to hearing the next round of arguments. Sorry we can't meet in person this year, but hopefully soon.
You guys have passed the first test, and it's an incredible competition that's going on. So I wish you all the best and put on your best arguments forward and go for it.
Good afternoon to the arbitral panel and to the learned members of the opposing counsel, Asher, Arif, and Manisha. Today, I, along with my co-counsels, Lucas and Alden, will be representing the Nepalese government as claimants against the respondents, which consist of the Australian National Museum of Malaysia, and Dr. John Thomas Smith Jr., seeking the return of a statue depicting Lord Vishnu seated between the goddesses Lakshmi and Garuda.
Australia has been strongly against the illicit exploitation of objects of cultural heritage for decades, under which it has returned more than a dozen objects to their rightful countries. We as the claimants ask the panel to question their hypocrisy in this case as to why they are not upholding the same values to Nepal. Why are they not returning the Vishnu statue, a national treasure that is belonging to the people of Nepal?
We concede that Dr. John Smith did not comply with Nepalese export law, but we maintain that this does not invalidate his right to the statue. He could have just stayed in the country and it still would be his property. And the fact that he left the country, though illegally with the statue, it does not change the fact that he is the owner of it.
As my previous speaker has mentioned, the Nepalese government had taken more than a year to register the statue, thus coming in conflict with Article 5B, which states the necessary procedure of keeping up to date and establishing a basis of a national inventory of protected property.
Well, Chairman, I have two answers to your question. The first answer is that it does not matter if a statue is or not, because UNESCO law protects its statue regardless. My second answer is that this very arbitration, as I will go into later on in my speech, is proof that the statue holds the utmost cultural significance to Nepal.
You keep on emphasizing the failures of the Nepalese government and its servants and agents to do many things. For example, to register, to claim ownership, to properly preserve the statue, and so on and so forth, right?
We are stating we did not take the necessary measures at first because, as stated in the Moot problem, the doctor did not believe that the monument was real, therefore did not ask for the necessary documentation.